Okay, so first we're gonna remove this model. This is actually all plastic, and as you can see, it has a lot of screws there. Those are for protecting it. We remove all these screws underneath, and I'm gonna do that off camera. Okay, so we have it all removed. As you can see, there are a lot of holes here. Just don't mind that, it's test body. Okay, we're gonna speed this thing up. We're gonna add 4 holes, 3mm holes for the 4 screws that are gonna be holding the light bar. We're just testing the fitment. Okay, here we are adding 4 more holes. These are for the 4 LEDs. We're gonna make it a bit bigger because we need to pass the LEDs, as you can see here. Okay, so now we are putting the plastic bar on top. We have to pass the LEDs through the big holes, the bigger ones. There are only 4 there. Just put the LED in place. That part is pretty straightforward. Then we just insert the lenses. Depending on the color you purchased, might be different colors. Okay, so let's put the steel plate on top. You just have to tighten the screws from the inside and we're good to go. Now let's go to the tail lights. You'll notice that I have the hose pre-made. Also, the LEDs are pretty straightforward. Just put it there. There are 2 gaps on each tail light with the shape of the LEDs. You can push it in up to the bottom if you want to. That's not gonna be a big problem because that's gonna just be protected for the body action. It won't come off. Now you have to, as you can see, as I mentioned before, I have these 2 holes made. You just have to put the nuts on the other side and tighten this up. Okay, so this one's ready. We're gonna do the other one. Pretty much the same, of course. Okay, so we're good. As I always say, just try to leave some play with the cables. Don't let them too tight. Okay, here we have the openings already made. That's actually pretty straightforward. It's the same as for all the other lights that we sell, scale lights. You just have to cut all the way around the sticker. Now we have to put this in place like so. Make sure it fits right. You can make some fine cuts after, so it's always recommended to go smaller and you do some touch-ups. Okay, once we have the 2 buckets there, just don't put any glue yet. First we're gonna have to put the LEDs inside the lenses. Again, the lenses might be different colors depending on the kit purchased. Just put it in right there, and you can add some hot glue or any other type of glue after you did all this process and make sure that everything fits perfectly. You can leave that for last. Okay, there we go. We have both ready. Now I'm gonna add some tape. You can do this better. Of course, I'm just doing it quickly for the video. And just notice that I'm leaving some play, some cable left there, not too tight, because when you crash, you might end up breaking the soldering points. Again, this is just doing it quickly. I know you can do a better job there. Okay, now we're gonna connect the lights. This is gonna be quick. If you want a more in-depth video about how to do this, you can find it in the channel. We're gonna connect all the lights to the power distribution board. Then we connect the small extension in the power distribution board and directly to the receiver. I have an extension already there. I don't have to open it. We turn it on with a small switch. Okay, that's better. Turn it on, off. Let's check that the lights are working. Pretty good. Roof lights, tail lights. Let's see the front lights, that's perfect, and the roof too. Great. So that's pretty much it, and then you just have to secure the cables, and that will be all.